Welcome to English Story Journey. Today's video is about New Year. How should we start the new year? The year is coming to a close. What should I plan for my next year? The nature of life is it's rolling away. That's what a new year means. That is, it's not stopping for you. Whether you were locked up in the house or you locked up in the office, or you were in the gutter, doesn't matter. Time is rolling away. Time is rolling away means life is rolling away. So when this is the nature of life, that time is a ceaseless mill going on, there is a different way to approach time. The most important thing is that a human being has to learn to be still. So if I don't do anything, will it be useful? You need to really examine this whole year. Have you been busy or have you been preoccupied? You think if your RPM in the head increases, you are busy. No, you are not busy. You become inefficient. To generate one sensible thought, you are generating 10,000 thoughts. That is inefficiency. So this inefficiency, do not call it busy. This is just preoccupation. This preoccupation has become a global phenomenon now because people do not know how to sit, how to breathe, how to hold themselves up. But if you want to realize the potential of what it means to be human, if you want to unfold your humanity, if you want to unfold your genius, you need a space where the outside doesn't really enter. You need a space within you where just this is there. The world is around you. Actually, the world is only around you. It is not inside of you. But for most human beings, it is inside. They close their eyes. It'll drive them crazy from inside. So this is because nothing has been done. No work has been done on such a phenomenon of a machine. The most sophisticated technology on the planet is this one. Nothing has been done. I want you to have a clear-cut plan. How am I going to be a better human being within myself? What is my plan? You must have a plan of your own. Don't wait for cosmic geometry to come together. Cosmic geometry is in a wonderful place, otherwise it would have crashed. You don't worry about where the stars are. What is the arrangement? Is it okay or not okay? It's perfect. It is you. Are you going to ride it or are you going to be crushed by it? That's the question. So you must have a clear-cut plan. How am I going to be a better human being within myself? What happens around you is a consequence of the way the world is running and the way we conduct things. Many consequences are okay, but how we are is very important because this is what determines the quality of who we are. So the coming year, the plan must be good. The coming year, we have a clear-cut plan and we work through the plan, a deliverable plan, an ambitious one, not a small one. I want all of you to evolve a plan like that. If necessary, write it down. This is how I'm going to be in the coming year. Whatever is your idea of being a better human being, our fair challenges are many. There are many things in the world. Some things will happen. Some things won't happen. Some things will act for us. Some things will work against us. These things are happening all the time. But am I functioning for myself or am I functioning against myself within this? Is my life a little more exuberant, a little more joyful, a little more peaceful? You just measure this every day. So you must maintain an account book. Yes, you're doing business. How do you know whether you're progressing? Only one who keeps accounts knows whether he is making money or going down, isn't it? So similarly, you must maintain an account. You just see, let's say yesterday you were joyful 5 times in the day. Today, if you're 6, you're better. Tomorrow, if you're 7, you're better. But day after tomorrow, if you're 3, you're worse. How many moments of joy do you have? Why I'm talking about joy is we are not using joy as a goal. Joy is a measure. Joy means you're at ease. Joy means you become more of life than being a mental mess. Joy does not mean that you attain something. Joy simply means life has come to ease. You're not messing yourself up. Spend 5 minutes. Have I been better today than yesterday? Has my day been better? Every day, if you keep an account, you will see, no matter what the hell happens in life situations, you will not go down. This coming year, I hope every one of you will address this fundamental aspect. Are you living to be free, to be liberated, or are you living just to establish more and more bondage in your life? So, at a time like this, an intelligent human being will make use of every situation for his growth. A fool will make every situation turn against themselves and cause pain to themselves and to everybody around them. This is all there is to life. Is your brain working for life or against life? If you lived a year full of foolishness and suddenly tomorrow morning with a resolution you will come awake, no. One has to strive, but at the same time a human being can make up their mind. You're going this way, you can make up your mind, turn around and go this way. You have the ability to do this. I am telling you, you are the only one who has the ability to do it upon this planet as a human being. All other creatures are ruled by pre-existing definitions within themselves. They can only do that which they are programmed for. This is the only one which is largely unprogrammed. So you can make up your mind. You can make a conscious decision as to how I will be. This is not a small privilege. This is the highest privilege and freedom that has been invested upon life on this planet. Let's make it happen. One thing, before you go to bed, just sit in your bed for 2 minutes. Just suppose you're going to die right now, in 2 minutes' time, how it will be, and then sleep. You will see tomorrow when you wake up like you were just born. If you go to sleep with this awareness, you will wake up with a completely new dimension of energy within you. No, you think it's a joke, that's the problem. Every day, nearly 300,000 people don't wake up tomorrow. So in case you wake up tomorrow, check and see if you're still alive. If you are, just do this much for yourself. One big smile. You're still alive. Do not think every day you will wake up. One day you will not wake up. Tomorrow morning you woke up, check if you're still alive. If you're dead, I will pardon you. If you're alive, one big smile. Then, if 300,000 people die on the planet, maybe 3 to 5 million people would have lost somebody dear to them. So just check those 4 or 5 people that matter to you in your life. All of them still alive. One more smile. You look at the watch, it's 7 o'clock, and you're still alive. One more smile. From now on, every time you look at the time, if you're alive, you must smile. Because this is the greatest thing happening to you. Not your money, not your profession, not your family. You're alive right now. Your ability to live well on this planet is essentially how well you can harness this body and this mind. There is a little space between you and the body. There is a little space between you and the mind. Whatever suffering you have known in your life has entered either through the body or through the mind. If a little distance arises between you and the body, between you and the mind, this is the end of suffering. Once there is no fear of suffering, only then you will explore the full depth and dimension of this life. One of the resolutions that you take for the new year is, I meditate. The year is coming to a close. What should I plan for my next year? I would like you to consider 24 hours as 1 year in great celebration. Why isn't a new day as important as a new year? Every day is a new beginning. The nature of life is its rolling away. That's what a new year means. That is, it's not stopping for you. Everybody should ask this question to themselves. Why is it that you are not celebrating these 364 days? Only one day you're trying to celebrate.